Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It will surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Hey everyone, this is When Beauty Meets Beast, chapter 235. Let's start reading. Okay, so pumayag si Sangye on Baidi's request to take care of Wanwan when they're away. So they were really going to left Wanwan behind instead of bringing her to Sun City. Wanwan, Sangye will take you back. Okay. Oh, that's so sad. Shuangyin is drunk. I'll take him back. Tut, tut, tut. Sa paa talaga hinawakan. Tapos diretso hila. Klase. Charan. Parang may meeting na magaganap ah. Parang iba yung tinginan ah. Tom, Tom. When Sanya stares at me like this, my heart beats so fast. Kasi in-acknowledge mo na siya na mate mo, diba? It's just that hindi pa kayo nagme-mate totally. So yun na lang yung kulang sa inyo. Oh, nasa likod siya ni Sangye. This isn't the way home. It's to the lake. To the lake, to the lake. Yes, I guess you're going to the lake. Parang i-distract ka ni Sangye before going home. Rushing water. Whoa! Talagang na-distract niya. Konting bagay lang to si Wan. Ang bilis ma-distract tong babaeng to, no? Kahit nga yung anak niya nakalimutan. Charot. Hindi naman yung nakalimutan. The fireflies are so beautiful. I've never seen such a gorgeous night. Asise. Rosa. Okay, nag-transform ang ating Sangye. Uy, look at that abs. Ooh, lala abs. Tignan niyo yung abs sa Sangye. 2, 4, 6. Ay, bakit 6 lang? Bakit kay Baidi 8? 8 abs tapos kay Sangye 6 abs. Pick up. O diba? Distracted na distracted. Rushing water. Ay, ang ganda pagka-drawing kay Sangye dito. Oh. Machong macho. Macho, guapito. Parang liit na naman ni Wanwan. Firefly. That's firefly. It flew away. Ito naman, umaalis naman talaga. Lumalayo naman talaga mga firefly. Kasi Wanwan minsan, ano. Pero tinginan ni Sang. Do you like it here? O, diba? Ang lagkit ng tingin ni Sangye. I do. Ay, may pa-kiss. Kiss gently. Ay, iba yan, ate. Do you like me? Ay. Diretsahang tanong. Kasi yan yung hindi niya natatanong before, diba? Sangye. Sagutin mo, nagtanong yung tao. Ito naman. Yes or no lang naman yung sasagot. Di pa matagot. Answer him. Of course, I like you. Pero hindi naman niya nasabi. Ba't di niya masabi? Sabihin mo. Can you hear my heartbeat? Aba, ito na talagang inaantay ni Sangye. At inaantay nating lahat. Charot. Right, this is the end. As usual, it's so short. See you in the next one, guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Hey everyone, this is When Beauty Meets Beast, chapter 235. Let's start reading. Okay, so pumayag si Sangye on Baidi's request to take care of Wanwan when they're away. So they were really going to leave Wanwan behind instead of bringing her to Sun City. Wanwan, Sangye will take you back. Okay. Oh, that's so sad. Shuangyun is drunk. I'll take him back. Tot, tot, tot. Sa paa talaga hinawakan. Tapos diretso hila. Klase.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.